Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Hi to Tech World. Today we are going to discuss about what are the types of clouds. So let's get started guys. Types of clouds. We have three types of clouds. Public cloud, private cloud and hybrid cloud. Okay. So what are these clouds? What does what is the meaning of public cloud? What is the meaning of private cloud? What is the meaning of hybrid cloud? So let's get started guys and we will learn about these three types in the coming PPTs. So let's get started with the public cloud. What is public cloud? Public cloud. In public cloud, the third party service providers make resources and services available to their customers via internet. Customers' data and related security is with the service provider's own infrastructure. What does it mean? It means if your application, if a user is coming to your application and is connecting to your application, okay, so that communication in which the customer connect to your application via internet, his request lands to your server. The request of that customer lands to your public cloud first. And then only the further communication happens. The first contact is that customer, it is a connects your server via internet and that request lands to the resource or the services available in the public cloud. Okay, so public cloud is the first point of contact where the customer's request lands to the resources and services available in the public cloud. Okay, guys, have you understood this? It is really easy. What is public cloud? It is a place where service provider make resources and services available to their customers via internet. Okay, let's move on to what is private cloud. Private cloud. A private cloud also provides almost similar features like public cloud, but the data and the services managed by the organization or by the third party only for the customer's organization. In this type of cloud, major control is over the infrastructure, so security related issues are minimized. Okay guys, what is the meaning of the last line, that infrastructure is secured as compared to the public cloud? As compared to the public cloud, resources in the private cloud are more secure. Why? Because a user cannot directly connect to a resource in the private cloud via internet. So a customer can connect to a resource in the public cloud via internet, but it cannot connect to a resource in the private cloud because of the security. In private cloud is not internet facing, so it will user cannot connect directly to the private cloud. Okay, so it is similar as public cloud, but the data and the services are managed by the organization or the third party only for customers organization. In this type of cloud, the major control is over the infrastructure, so the security related issues are really minimized. Okay guys, so let's move on to our third type, which is hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud is a combination of both private and public cloud. The decision to run on private or public cloud usually depends on various parameters like sensitivity, water data, and the application, industry certifications, and required standards, comma regularization, and etc. So, what is hybrid cloud? It is a combination of both private and public cloud. Okay, and then the decision is taken by the organization that this resource should be hosted in the private cloud or this service should be hosted on the public cloud. So it depends on various parameters like sensitivity of the data or application or the industries certifications and standards and regulations. Right? So what we learned in this video was three types. There are three types of cloud: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. In public cloud, the user can directly connect to a resource in the public cloud via internet. Okay. But in private cloud, it cannot connect directly to the resource in the private cloud because it is more secure. The resources hosted in private cloud are not internet facing. And what is hybrid cloud? It is a combination of both private and public cloud, and the decision to run on private or public cloud usually depends on various parameters which the organization takes based on the sensitivity of data, application, industry, certification, and regulation standards, and etc. Okay, guys. So let's meet up in the next video in which we are going to cover another concept. What are the another concept of cloud computing? Okay, guys. Which is going to be the cloud service models. Okay, guys. So let's catch up in the next video. Till that time, subscribe our channel, like our video. Thank you, guys.